Doc, pwede po ba araw-araw boiled egg si baby? 9 months old.
Yung boiled egg mo, half lang. Para
Halo.
sa age niya, half lang ang dose niya. I mean, kung sa dami ng egg, hindi pa siya isang buo, half lang.
Hard-boiled, kailangan.
Pwedeng soft-boiled, pwedeng hard-boiled,
Ah.
okay lang. Pero for her age, half lang. I would just give half. And then, syempre, kasi maliit ang stomach niyan, kailangan mo rin magbigay ng ibang klase ng food. Para syempre, iba-ibang, mas maraming variety ng pagkain, mas maraming klase ng nutrients ang nakukuha ng baby mo.
Question ko, pwede ba half ng boiled egg, breakfast, lunch, dinner?
Wag naman. For a day, siguro for a day, I would suggest just giving half boiled egg for the day.
Okay,
And then,
sige.
yun nga, kasi nga, more variety of food, syempre, mas iba-ibang nutrients yung makukuha niya.
Oh.
Wag puro boiled eggs.
Tapos mami si Rush, meron ako nabili kay Simples, yung parang egg cooker niya. Lalagay mo yung 4 na piraso, tapos iiwan mo na lang. Tapos pagbalik mo, pamimili ka ng hard-boiled, soft-boiled. Galing pakita ko si mami.
Oh, yun.
Gagawa ko ng video
kailangan,
niyo.
tandaan niyo po, it's also balanced diet that you should give your children, even though they are at the very young age. So, tandaan niyo, hindi pwedeng puro palibhasay ng gusto niya, yun na lang yun na ibibigay mo. Try to explore them, give other kinds of foods and other sources of protein. So, pwede kayong tofu. Tofu is a good source of protein. Also, munggo is also a cheap but a good source of protein. So, pwede na yan. 9 months na yun eh. So, pwede ka nang mag-explore ng mga pagkain na you think are also rich in nutrients and okay sa kanya.